Okay, here we are at the Miradoro do Altinho de Cajo. So it says the view of Cajo. Can't see the view because of all the foliage. But I definitely want to show you all this stuff anyways, so we're just going to walk down this main street and show you a little bit of what's around here in Macau, because not many people know all the different stuff around here. I think you can get that view a little bit in there, can you? The ocean. It's ocean back there. Okay, stay. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so yeah, there's some ocean back there that you can't see. Maybe I'll just stand up on one of these things. Now you can maybe get a view a little bit more. A little bit. So yeah, Miradoro is Portuguese for view. But it doesn't really matter, because actually what I wanted to show you anyways was all the pine trees in the mountains that you also have in this area of Macau called Coloane. And Coloane is basically where all the hiking trails are at. And I think I just want to kind of show you by walking down one of the main streets here. This doesn't have very good sidewalks, by the way, but you can at least see what it looks like. And we're going to try to sneak across and kind of give you a little feel for it anyways. Oh, now we're gonna get the view on that side now. So I'm just gonna jump over because there's cars that are gonna come by. And look at all these pines, these ferns. This is just like one big row of ferns all the way up like that, right? As you can see, it just keeps going and going and going up there. And then it goes that way and then more and more. So, this one looks like it's maybe designated to be cut, maybe. I used to work on a road crew, and sometimes, you know, they would do stuff like that. They'd mark stuff for that. Anyways, this is kind of a little taste of Coloane. So, go jump over here on this side. Try to watch behind me so I don't see any cars coming. And then you can see this little overpass all the way up there as well. So I did want to jump back over here again. So this little drainage ditch right here. So you can see that little thing over there. But I think what I'm going to try to do is try to run across on that side. And then you can see the view that we started out that we're hoping to view. But yeah, anyways, so then you can also get more of this view too, I think. So let's run across right now. And then I want to show you that little overpass too, so you can walk up on the overpass. And now we're over here, and you can see that we're just up in all these grooves of this mountain stuff, mountain things, right? And there's a little overpass right up there. So this isn't the best place to walk, really. So I'm not going to walk too far because there's a bus stop that's kind of behind me. But I do kind of want to show you that there's a lot of pine trees, a lot of trails, a lot of different stuff around here. So it's not all just city. I mean, we are one of the densest cities in the world, but there's also a lot of other stuff around. And my apologies for the sun. It's a little bit harder to view from when you're walking into the sun. So let's just kind of capture it from this angle. And I'll try to, I don't know if you can see that walking path right there, but there's a walking path that goes over this road. Because it's a lot of trails all the way up, all the way around in here everywhere. Anyways, at least you kind of get a taste for Macau and something a little bit different. And then, you know, it's not all just city streets, but there's also lots of rural hiking trails and some mountains and stuff like that too. Okay, hope you like it. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.